We're now sitting down with Jaleesa Foster, and she's here to speak about the E.A. Roberts Center and what it does for those that have Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. So first of all, thank you for stopping by.
Absolutely.
So,
my pleasure.
yes, Alzheimer's and dementia, you know, that's something that can take so much away from a family. And, you know, we always want to hopefully find a cure one day for this. So talk about E.A. Roberts Center and what kind of patients that it serves.
Absolutely. E.A. Roberts Center serves anyone who has Alzheimer's or dementia, some form of dementia. And so we actually don't call our patients, we call them participants. So we kind of consider it like an activity center. We have an enrollment process that we evaluate a nurse, my program assistants, and I kind of evaluate each and every person that comes through those doors to find out if we're a good fit for them and if they're a good fit for us. So.
I like that. Instead of calling them patients, it's participants.
Yeah, we look at it again as an activity center. So we do various things from arts and crafts, exercise. We have an indoor, we have a screened-in porch. We have a courtyard, a fenced-in yard. The facility is completely secure, so we have a good time.
Yeah, there's a lot of fun things that go on. I know that probably brings a lot of joy to you working there.
I absolutely love it.
You love your job.
I do, and they have me laughing all the time. Every day is different.
And I'm sure the families appreciate that too.
It is really important for our families to be able to have some time to themselves, to be able to work, to be able to go to the grocery store. When you live with someone with this disease, it can be very challenging because they can't always be alone. So having this place where you can ease your mind and know that they are safe, secure, and a loving staff that's taking care of them just as you would, or better in some cases. So.
What more can you ask for? So if someone's watching this and maybe they have a family member, you know, that has dementia or things like that, how can they get involved with this center?
So there's a few ways. You can go to infirmaryhealth.org and type in E.A. Roberts, and there's information there. An enrollment packet is on there for you to click on. But you can also stop by the center and take a tour. We will walk you through the enrollment process. We do require a diagnosis from a physician, such as a neurologist or their primary care physician. But other than that, the enrollment packet is very specific as to like what agitates them, what do they like to do, what did they do before they had the disease. We like to make it specific so that we know kind of what activities will excite them.
Well, I appreciate you coming out. We are unfortunately out of time, but that's just so incredible. Something for, you know, families to look forward to every day, you know, and the help that you guys give at Infirmary Health through this program. So thank you so much for joining us, Jaleesa.
Absolutely.
All right, and of course, you can rewatch this interview again or share it with someone you know. Just head to our YouTube channel shortly after the newscast and click that subscribe button so you're alerted when we post a new story.